Brand new from Caelum Audio and completely free for both Mac and iOS until the 5th of May, DynaBunny is a dynamic bit crusher that can add either a bit of lo-fi sparkle to sounds, or decimate them completely. DynaBunny is an effect plugin / app, so you'll be loading it up in GarageBand for Mac's Smart Controls window and in the plugins and EQ section of GarageBand for iOS's track settings. If you're not sure how to install plugins in GarageBand for Mac or how to use AUV3 plugins in GarageBand for iOS, I'll put links to videos on how to do both in the description below. The like button is down there too, just saying. DynaBunny has 5 controls for you to fiddle with. A sample rate control, which goes from 20Hz to 48 kHz. A range boost control, a bits control, which goes from 1 bit up to 16 bits. An envelope control, which is a fantastic thing to have in a free Bitcrush plugin. And there's a mix control here too. Depending on how gnarly you get things sounding, the weird cyber Easter bunny / my new sleep paralysis demon here will dynamically animate. If you'd rather take a hands-off approach, Caelum Audio have included 10 presets with DynaBunny, which range from some very usable, subtle crunchiness to low bitrate madness. They're all Easter themed too, which is a nice touch. DynaBunny does all of the usual Bitcrush stuff really well. It's great for adding a bit of grit to drum loops, or for adding some life to synths and keys. The envelope control is really useful for dialing it back and helping affected tracks sit better in a mix, I found. Double tracking instruments and applying DynaBunny to the duplicate is also a good way to add a bit of colour to proceedings without the Bitcrush effect being overpowering. DynaBunny is 100% free until May the 5th, so go and grab it now. You can download it for Mac from Caelum Audio's website, and for iPad or iPhone from the iOS App Store. Links to both of those down below the like button. DynaBunny isn't the only freebie available right now. If you're on Mac, watch this video next, and if you're on iOS, watch this one for more completely free instruments and effects.